Hi guys, welcome to another video, and today we will be discussing how to turn on maintenance mode, and we'll be discussing a few aspects of the maintenance mode, what it's used for and what you're not supposed to use it for. Okay, let's begin. To turn on maintenance mode, you need to press the power button twice, and this car is a Toyota Aqua 2014 model. It's a JDM model. In the Western market, it's also known as a Prius C. You can even turn on maintenance mode in the Prius with the same steps. Okay, first of all, press this button twice, 1 and 2. Okay, now the car is not on, it's not started, the engine's off. Now what you need to do is hit the accelerator pedal twice. This one, twice, then press the brake pedal and shift your gear to neutral. Now again, lift your foot from the brake pedal and hit accelerator twice. 1, 2. Then press the brake pedal again and shift your gear to P. And hit accelerator pedal twice. You will see a symbol over here very soon appearing after I hit the accelerator pedal twice. 1, 2. Okay, you know what that is? Let me explain. Okay, what this symbol actually represents is your hybrid mode. Your hybrid system has been disabled. Okay, and now the next step is press the brake pedal and hit the power button. Your car will shift into maintenance mode. What is maintenance mode? I'll explain to you very soon. Okay, the car started, and you can see there are two symbols. One is disabling of hybrid battery and the other one is traction control is off. Okay, first of all, in this mode you're not supposed to drive the car. It's only for maintenance, meaning if you want to check for leaks, oil leaks and coolant leaks, or any kind of problem where you need the ICE on, internal combustion engine on, then you can use this maintenance mode. It's not for driving because crucial systems have been disabled, and if you drive at your own risk, and you'll be damaging the car as well. You'll be damaging the transaxle. Okay, maintenance mode, what will happen is your hybrid battery will charge. As you can see, hybrid battery is charging, but your car will not shift to EV mode, and that's electric vehicle. See, your battery is almost full. And you can even charge your battery like this. For example, if it's not charged and you want to charge it and take it somewhere, you can do this. But definitely it will use fuel because it's actually idling right now. And it's basically meant for maintenance. If you take it for maintenance and you want to check for oil leaks or coolant leaks or any other problem which requires the hybrid engine to be disabled and your internal combustion engine to be on, then you can use this. Okay, and right now your EV is disabled. Let me just show you. Okay, if you press this button right here, it's EV mode. Nothing's going to happen. See, I'm pressing the button, nothing's happening. It's not shifting, it's giving a beep noise and nothing's happening. Okay, if you want to disable this mode, what you need to do is just turn off your car. And you turn off your car, just press the power button just once and your car is off. Now press the brake pedal and start your car, and maintenance mode is off. You see, it's on EV now. That green sign right there, that's EV mode, or you can call it EV. It means right now the vehicle is working on electricity, on hybrid battery. Okay guys, and guys, that was the video for today. I'll keep on bringing you more videos, and actually I'm doing English version of all the videos I've done before, so I don't need subtitles for these. You can understand. And thank you for watching guys. Subscribe and goodbye.